how Estelle helps me unload the dishwasher. Thank you. It's actually pretty darn efficient. Thank you. Pull it out. There we go. Careful. Now come on this side. Come on this side. Uh-oh, you got stuck. Okay. Come on this side, right here. Right here. Right here. Yep, can you help now? Thank you. Ooh, careful. Thank you. Thank you. One more. One more. Can you get that one? All right. All done. Say all done. You can push it closed now. We'll do the top in just a minute. Can you close it? You can close the door. Watch the fingers. Watch the fingers. Good girl. Say all done.
All done.
All done.